Every time I want to learn and do a tutorial on dynamics skirt forming, I end up doing another totally different tutorial. This time it is forming a belt with topology brush and editing with topological brush. But luckily I made it through to skirt forming using dynamics at the end. Let's get started. Let me fit the canvas to screen. Under document, zoom, click and drag downwards to zoom in, so that the canvas is covering the whole screen. Seems like Julie is masked. Unmask everything by Control, click and drag down on the background. Let's increase the opacity of the skirt image and bring it forward, so that I know where to place the belt. Under Draw, Fill Mode, slide to 3. Under Front Back tab, adjust the image slightly to fit the model, using Scale, Vertical and Horizontal Offset slider. Zoom in, Control right click, hover right. Turn on Polyframe, Shift F.